How to use cash on delivery feature on Lazada. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the cash on delivery feature on Lazada. Now, first things first, the most important step is make sure that you have activated the cash on delivery feature on Lazada. You can do so on the application or the website itself. Now I'll make a separate video on how you can activate the cash on delivery feature on Lazada. You can check it out on my channel, but once you have activated it, all you have to do is you can simply go ahead and open up the product that you wish to buy. Then you can simply tap on buy now option, and there on the checkout page, once you add in your shipping address and such, then it'll ask you to enter in your payment details. On the payment section, on choose your payment method option, you want to select the option cash on delivery, and you can easily use the cash on delivery feature. So this way you can use cash on delivery on Lazada. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.